Preparing and cooking food, or a particular way of preparing and cooking food.
Cooking. Cooking. I love my dad's cooking.
If a woman or girl is pretty, she is attractive.
Pretty. Pretty. She's got such a pretty daughter.
To think about problems or unpleasant things that might happen in a way that makes you feel anxious.
Worry. Worry. It's silly worrying about things which are outside your control.
The central area of a town where the shops are.
Town. Town.
Shall I meet you in town?
Used to make a suggestion.
Why? Why?
Why not give it a try?
Ninth written as a word.
Ninth. Ninth.
The ninth letter of the alphabet is I.
A sign giving information about something.
Notice. Notice. I saw a notice in the paper announcing their marriage.
Used to ask or talk about the way something happens or is done.
How? How? How does this machine work?
To tell someone that you are grateful for something they have done or given you.
Thank. Thank.
He thanked me for taking him home.
A thick, round piece of rubber filled with air, that fits around a wheel.
Tire. Tire. I've got a flat tire.
Used to ask about someone's health.
How? How? How is your mother?
Used to refer to something or someone that can be seen or pointed to.
This. This. How did this get here?
A formal greeting for someone that you have not met before.
How? How? I'm Jack Stewart. How do you do? I'm Angela Black.
To know why or how something happens or works, or how to do something.
Understand. Understand. We still don't fully understand how the brain works.
Used to refer to something that you have already talked about.
This. This. I've had enough of this.
A container for storing or protecting something.
Case. Case. A pencil case.
Used to make a suggestion.
How? How? How about a drink?
Used to refer to something that is happening or something that you are doing.
This. This. This is how you prepare the fish.
A suitcase.
Case. Case. Shall I carry your case onto the train?
A part of a website that can be read on a computer screen.
Web page. Web page. There is a web page with this information.
Instructions that tell you how to get to a particular place, or how to do something.
Directions. Directions.
Just follow the directions on the label.